Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Rahmi Alisa Putri, student ID number 20231073, Science Education Study Program at Padang State University. Here, I will read an argumentative essay assignment about global warming. This assignment aims to fulfill the value of the English course for science with the supervisor, Mrs. Monica Primasari, MPD. Global warming, the influence of humans and nature on global warming. The issue of global warming is something global that has put world leaders in a take position to find solutions to climate change that threatens life on Earth. The temperature on the Earth's surface is increasing day by day. As a result, sea level rise and glaciers on the Earth's high peaks and in the Arctic region are melting. This poses an even greater threat of sea level rise. Humans have a big influence on environmental issues. He has the ability to control it. That's it. Man who decides what he wants to do with his environment. There is sufficient evidence to prove that humans have contributed to the development of the environment, which ultimately led to global warming. For example, the use of motorized vehicles, the exhaust system of a car causes carbon dioxide emissions, which lead to the accumulation of gases into the atmosphere. Not only that, there are several home appliances that contribute to the use of house gases, such as air conditioners. However, the greatest contribution that humans have to this problem is through industrial process. Humans are involved in various processes that lead to the accumulation of gases in the atmosphere. Of course, there are bad effects of this activity for plant and animal life on this planet, such as changes in weather patterns that affect plant productivity, threaten animal habitats such as pollens, and also interfere with health as well as threat to humans themselves. Because of this effect, humans have to find ways to solve problems. There are various ways in which humans can achieve this. For example, it can be with using vehicles, not littering, maintaining more plant therapy, reducing emission levels. Likewise, it can reform its industry so that it becomes more environmentally friendly. For example, he could find a way to detoxify gases that are heard from industrial chimneys pure remediation into the atmosphere. Other change can be made in the way industrial jobs are processed so as to reduce tariff emissions. The use of renewable energy can also help ensure emission reductions. According to NASA, it is quite clear that human activities are often seen with greenhouse gas emissions that lead to the issue of global warming. There is also the problem of deforestation. Most of the time, humans are involved in activities that lead to the destruction of the world's forest cover. Charcoal burning, land clearing for agriculture, and overstocking all contribute to deforesting the land. It has a serious impact on the environment because the main cause of the air. Thus, if humans reduce the frequency of cutting down trees, then the negative effect is environmental preservation. There is a scientific argument that claims that greenhouse gases are not the only trigger for global warming. Thus, as much as humans contribute to the release of these gases into the atmosphere. This has little or no effect on the rate of global warming. However, the strongest argument against the human contribution to environmental pollution and global warming is the argument that most of the significant causes of global warming are natural. For example, there is a volcanic explosion that caused a rise in temperature. In fact, it is impossible for humans to have control over this volcanic activity. In conclusion, it can be seen clearly that global warming is really a major problem today. Many life and property have been lost due to global warming. For example, extreme weather conditions such as too much rain cause floods and storms. Also, as a result of extreme weather conditions, prolonged wars has become commonplace and negatively affect humans and animal life. However, many strategies are proposed to prevent the problem from spiraling out of control. The establishment of police and laws to prevent global warming has received worldwide attention. That's all I can say about the argumentative essay about global warming. If there is a wrong word and delivery, I apologize. I end with Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.